Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 38. A distinguishing feature of mammals is the possession of A. Skin, B. Scale, C. Nail, and D. Hair. Mammals. Mammals are a group of organisms that give rise to the young ones. They give rise to young ones alive. Now, mammals possesses the following characteristics. They are warm-blooded. Mammals have skin, which their skin has hair, sweat gland, and sebaceous gland. Now, unlike other animals, mammals' skin has hair, sweat gland, and sebaceous gland. These three components are mostly not found in non-mammals. For example, the lizard, which is a non-mammal, do not possess sweat gland, nor sebaceous gland, nor hair. But if you look at dog, on the other hand, dog possesses hair because dog is a mammal. Humans possesses sweat gland and sebaceous gland because we are mammals. So these three organs are actually specific to mammals alone. We have other animals that are warm-blooded, like the lizard is a warm-blooded animal. So also mammals are warm-blooded. The lizard has nails, so also mammals has nails. Non-mammals too has nails. Scale also. Most mammals do not have scale, while some have. But scale are mostly for non-mammals, like the fish, the lizard. They possess scale. But the hair is more specific, or a distinguishing feature for mammals. Hair, the sweat gland, and the sebaceous gland. But the only option present here is the hair, so we pick hair as the correct answer to the question, since it is the most correct option. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.